Yo, what's going on, peeps? What's going on? This your boy, Jay, Big Country. I have a taste for some fish and some eggs. So what I'm gonna do, I started putting in here and fry it. But what I'm gonna do, a lot of y'all was asking me about my fryer, my air fryer. So what I'm gonna do, I just season a little bit of fish right here, and I'm gonna put them in the air fryer so it can fry in the air fryer. So I just gotta get me one of these things out. So I need to try to put this camera somewhere so it can see everything and stuff. And I don't have nowhere to put it. So basically, this is what I'm gonna do. Let's have it clean up anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and open this right here and whatnot. We'll open that, and I got some pan right here that I do right here. So we're gonna do basically kind of put it right here, and I like to spray. I like to spray mine, and we're gonna sit it right there. Okay. Now put the camera down. Let's see. Now what I'm gonna do is put the fish that I seasoned, shake it up real good. Take the fish that I seasoned and put it on. So it's seasoned real good. I'm gonna try to space it out so when it cooks and it won't really touch it. So this is how the fish looks and everything. So we're gonna put it in and put it right here. So it's set in here real nicely. Close it. Now, it got different knives on it. You want to cook some fries, some chicken, make a cake, different type meat. So we cuts it on, right? So they got a setting right here for fish. It's 390 degrees it goes to, and it cuts on for 15 minutes. And so you got a light in there, if you can check it there and you can look at it. So what I'm gonna do, basically, I'm gonna let it do for half of that 15 minutes. Now, what I am gonna do is this. Yeah, I was gonna put it to 16, but we're gonna let it go down to about 7 minutes. Then we're gonna flip it over and let it finish cooking. After I do all that, then I'll show you how the fish turn out to be. Right now, I'm gonna make me some eggs and have me a nice breakfast. All right, you see I got my eggs already done. Got my eggs done. Now it's on 7 minutes. So you're gonna look at it. Take it out. Oh man, it look good. Look real good. Look at that. It's look real good. So I'm gonna turn them over. It's crispy. Well, it's not crispy yet, but what I do, like I say, it will be. You don't want to see. I don't like my fish too hard and crispy. There you go. So turn them over, and we're gonna put it right back in there. That's the only bad thing about it. You know, you will make a mess on it. But if you keep your fryer clean, it'll work with you real good. Put it back on. Let it finish for another 7 minutes. Now, sometimes you might have to give it a couple more minutes and stuff like that. It depends how you want your fish. So once that is finished, I'll show y'all how it turned out to be. Okay, everybody, we're gonna see if the fish is done. I want to show you something real quick. This is my ice maker. It makes ice. See, I don't even see it in there. Put water in there, and it make ice. A friend of mine gave it to me, and I'm gonna tell you, when you make the ice turn out to come like this. And whatnot. A friend of mine gave it to me. And stuff, she had it. She gave it to me, and I appreciate her giving it to me. You know, they call it Magic Chef. They probably got some newer models than this, but it do pretty good. So let's go back and look at our fish. See how our fish turned out. Okay. It looked like it might be cooked a little longer, but you know, let's see. I'm taking a break a piece out of it. See. Oh wow. This one little piece to see if it cooked. So we look at it real good. And you blow it, cool it off some. It's good. Oh my God, it's good. That's the first time I cooked fish on it. It was real good. So that's what we could do it on a cooker. I know y'all, like I said, y'all asking me to do more on this right here, so y'all want to see it. So y'all saw I did last time. I cooked some fish. Now what I'm gonna do, I got some wings I'm gonna deep throw out. These wings? Yeah, these wings. They're throwing out, and I'm gonna let it throw out. I'm gonna put some wings on a little later, having some wings. It's raining, so it's like I'm gonna cook nothing on the grill today. I gotta do some grocery shopping. While I'm doing this right here, I'm changing my eating habits. I know I'm getting wings, but this right here, fry it, is healthier. It take the grease out. You see that grease on the bottom? It take that grease out and the fats out and all that. So I'm changing my eating habits because I want to get more healthier. I want to lose weight. When this pandemic is hard, you can't go to the gym and say I'm gonna lose weight and so and so. So I'm changing my eating habit, eat more green vegetables and stuff like that there. Eat healthier, more fish. You know, if I cook chicken on the grill, take the skin off it. So I'm gonna eat healthier. And I'm gonna do a series where we're gonna eat more healthier, change our eating habits, change the way we eat to be more healthier. Cause I wanna lose weight. I got medical problems, I got high blood pressure, my blood circulation is not good. And I'm not gonna get better unless I change my eating habit, change the ways I eat, change the ways I do, and stuff and all that. Sometime today I'm gonna go and buy me some good walking shoes, and we're gonna do some walking. I'm looking for me a bicycle so I can ride a bike. We're gonna do things, and I'm gonna call orders right here. And I hope y'all join with me so we can eat healthier, get healthier, and feel better. So I'm going to eat my breakfast. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Put a comment in the comment section. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe and hit that bell notification when you subscribe. And go to my gamer channel, because I'm really gonna get that gamer channel, put some more videos on that gamer channel. So go to that gamer channel and hit that bell notification, hit and subscribe to that channel too. So I hope you have a good day. See you in the next video. Peace.